So I've scoured the internet looking for the best effects in Davinci Resolve. And these are them. So let's get started. So first effect, duplicate the clip, go to Open Effects and search Edge Detect. Move the size to 1.1 and then press green. Next effect, Inception effect. Alright, look up mirror. And in the settings for the angle, put -90. Alright, next effect, anamorphic lens flare. Search glow. Move HV ratio all the way up and move composition type to screen. Next effect. This is the color grading effect, so go to the color grading tab. Alright, I want this piece of footage to look like this. All you do is right click this piece of footage and press shot match to this clip. There you go. For this effect, I'm gonna make it look like old footage. So first I'm going to bring the midtones down, and then I'm gonna take all the saturation out. I'm gonna add another node using Options S, and I'm gonna move the temp more orange. So after I did that color grade, I'm gonna add film damage. I'm gonna move the dirt density to 3 and the dirt size to 2. Next effect is smooth zoom. Find adjustment layer, press size keyframe, go a few frames forward, press it again and zoom in. Press this little thing and select the keyframes and press this. I'll smooth it out. So those were my top Davinci Resolve effects. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks. See ya.